here's some news about smart kids. 3 South Carolina high school students who got an experiment into space aboard the International Space Station.
Now, this story, we told you about it just a few months ago, and now they have the results back on this. So our Robert Kittle is breaking down their findings.
Liftoff of the
Imagine being in just 10th grade and watching a rocket blast off to the International Space Station carrying an experiment you designed.
Yeah, we watched the launch when it happened.
It's kind of like a boyhood dream, because I always had an infatuation with space and how stuff would work in the space and stuff like that. So I was very happy to see it going up.
Cedric McQueen, Tevin Glover, and their friend Parker Matthews designed the experiment and won a contest to send it into space. Parker wasn't at school today. The experiment was to see whether a mixture of water and cornstarch would react the same in space as it does on the ground. That would have implications for growing plants in space or other planets. They measured what's called turbidity of the liquid, which is how much the water loses transparency because of the particles suspended in it. The results were that the space and ground samples were exactly alike. Microgravity had no effect.
If all this light can pass through the substance on the ground and it passes also, all the light can also pass through it in microgravity, then that shows that we can have plant growth in space.
This isn't just a big deal for the 3 students involved. The whole school knows about their accomplishment, and it'll be used as an example for future students.
They're like the first ones to do it, and I'm quite sure that we're going to have other competitions for the students to actually be able to compete to do activities like this.
And the students aren't finished. They hope to do more experiments testing other variables. In Columbia, Robert Kittle, 7 News.
How impressive is that? Winning the contest and having their experiment go up to the space station has made these students kind of celebrities, as you might imagine, at school, Gordon.
Much deserved. Their teacher says it also shows other students how activities outside the classroom can really pay off.